Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You've added the photo into your frame, now make it fit. Double-click the image to enter crop mode and grab the corner handles to adjust scale. Hold Shift to lock proportions. If you want more of the subject, drag the image inside the frame to reposition. If you need more background, scale down slightly. Make sure the most important area sits within the safe margins. Once done, click outside the frame or press Enter to apply the crop and lock this initial composition. Now refine placement and size for balance. Select the frame, then choose position and try center or edge alignments. These quick options give consistent layout. For micro adjustments, use the arrow keys for 1-pixel nudges and enable snapping to guides to align with other elements. If the image seems stretched, toggle between crop and fit to preserve proportions or to fill the frame completely. Make sure edges aren't cut awkwardly. Zoom in to inspect corners and adjust until the visual weight feels right. Finish by fine-tuning looks and securing your result. Click Edit Image to apply exposure, contrast, or preset filters. These changes refine focus and mood. When satisfied, right-click the frame and choose Lock to prevent accidental repositioning. If something goes wrong, immediately use Undo or click Reset in crop mode to revert to the original image. If proportions are distorted, switch to Fit or reapply shift scaling while resizing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.